1.
Hashgen a tuning name, instance, display text, and icon.
2.
Create empty package, extract tuning, FTUE category, string table lookup, grab one, add to package. Category tuning. Copy icon ID. Game file cruiser. In instance, paste. All. Filter. Add to package. DST. Export. Update. Import. Data. Update instance. Category tuning. Update icon and display text. Data. Update name. Update instance. Sim data. Update name. Update instance. XML. Update display text and icon. Category tuning. Copy tuning ID. XML. Update the ID here too. String table. Edit. Add your display text.
Bonus!
To add it to an aspiration, in an aspiration, track tuning. In category, paste your tuning ID. Sim data. Update category. Done! Took me 4 hours to work that one out. Next, please.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.